How to File Tax Return in Canada, Wealthsimple Tax Filing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to file your tax return in Canada using Wealthsimple Tax, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wealthsimple.com. Log into your account to begin. Before you can dive in, make sure you've gathered all your necessary tax documents. It'll make the process much smoother. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Tax section. From here, either select your existing profile or set up a new one if this is your first time. Next up is entering your personal information. This includes your first name, middle name, last name, social insurance number, and date of birth. Double check for accuracy before moving on. After your personal info is in, it's time to start your return. If you have a CRA My account, you can use the Autofill My Return feature. Just click on Import Tax Slips, sign into your CRA account, and Wealthsimple will fetch your tax slips automatically. If you'd rather enter your details manually, no problem. Just input your income sources like employment income, self-employment earnings, investment income, or government benefits. Then, add any deductions or credits you're eligible for. Once everything's in place, you'll see whether you're getting a refund or if you owe any taxes. Take a moment to review your entire return carefully. When you're ready, hit Submit with NetFile to send it directly to the CRA. After a successful submission, you'll receive a confirmation number as proof. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.